Hello everyone, welcome to Xirosoft. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix date for multiple columns in Excel. So let's have a look now. I start by opening the Excel workbook that contains the date values you want to fix in multiple columns. Select the columns that contains the values you want to format. Now right-click on your mouse. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Format Cells. Now in the dialog box, choose Date. From here, select the desired format. Click OK to apply the format to all the dates columns you have selected. So that's how you can easily fix date for multiple columns. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.